Yeah, me say new video. So yeah, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see what's going on already. So I'd record an intro for that video already while I was on the bike, but y'all know already when I on the bike and I start talking, I just lose my train of thought. So yeah, I have to record a proper intro. So yeah, today we test riding an Mt-07. So y'all see me leave a review on the Mt-07 already. So you all already know how I feel about that bike. I love that bike. I like the Tenere more, but I love the Mt-07 too. So the video not going to be too long because they didn't really have much for me to talk about, because you already know my thoughts and my opinions on that bike already. So that video is basically just to show y'all what exactly the bike is and the plans for the bike and whatever, but it's just a test ride video. So y'all have to let me know if y'all want to see that bike on the channel, me say, because I'm not just doing it for me, for the channel too. You check it, because if I buy that bike, content going to be pushing. Y'all know that already. Content going to be pushing, build series, all them kind of things. But yeah, me say, before we get into the video, don't forget to check out the Instagram and the TikTok, but more the Instagram, because like the Instagram, let's see everything before the YouTube see it. So the Instagram is a way to kind of get a preview of what's going to come in the next video. So yeah, me see, the Instagram saw that bike before the YouTube video came out, so check on the Instagram. You see, I go leave the link in the description. And yeah, so we go get into the video right now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, check it, leave a little interaction on the video. The little interactions, as I always say, boosting the video big time. You see, the last video man comment just for commenting sick, just to leave an interaction. Big up that man. And big up Trev too. Trev, I'd mentioned you in the video, I just couldn't remember the name, but yeah, big up Trev. Trev saying in the hospital supporting, not sure what happened to him, but yeah, big up yourself for the love and the support. So yeah, we go get into the video now. Boom. Yeah, me say new video. So yeah, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title, y'all see what's going on. New bike coming to the channel soon. Well, hopefully. Hopefully new bike coming soon. But yeah, I'm going to test ride that, see what it's saying, and I bringing y'all along for the ride. Hey auntie, what are you doing in the middle of the corner? But yeah, I go test ride that, see what it's saying, and y'all going to see everything. But boy, me say, the last video, I feel we back in the algorithm after taking a break for so long. I feel we back in the algorithm because the last video looked great, and the ones that commented and leaving feedback and all them kind of thing, me say, big up y'all. And even some of my partners had messaged me privately, like about the commentary and them kind of thing. Okay, big up y'all. I just read all the comments, try my best to answer all messages. You check it, none of it going unnoticed. So yeah, big up the fellas that commenting right through, and big up I can't remember his name, but I go leave his comment on the screen. Well, he didn't comment that on my video, it was part of the video, but he say he supported from the hospital. As to what exactly happened, I'm not too sure, but yeah, I hope we get better soon. I just can't remember the name right now. But yeah, okay, big up you. You know yourself, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, big up you, okay. So yeah, me see, I just taking a quick little run to the gas station, and I just had to record an intro before I go on test ride the bike. So I feel from we go get into the test riding. But me say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, leave a little interaction, because it's the little interactions that boosting the channel big time. Okay, So yeah, any little interaction, whether you like, comment. And last video a man comment, and his comment was basically just saying he commenting just to leave an interaction or something so on the channel. So big up Diamond too, doggy. Big up Diamond, big up Diamond. You see things, so fellas like that I like supporting no matter what. He don't have nothing to say about the video, but he's still supporting. Boy, me say that is why Palala say that in a video too. Me say before you ride fast, learn how to stop fast too, doggy, because mob like that man I look the other way at all about small things just happen. Me say just be vigilant on the road, be safe, all them kind of thing, because doggy, and these days doggy, accidents happening, and like it's not any little accidents doggy, like it's always some kind of big accident that happening. So me say be safe, be vigilant, check it, because basically just ride like you invisible doggy, ride like everyone out to get you, you check it. But yeah, right now we will get into the test riding of the Mt-07. And yeah, I go see all when I'm on the MT. Yeah, me see, so we on the MT now. Just bring that for a little test ride so you can see what it's saying. But yeah, when we reach Bossejou, I will give a little walk around on the bike and thing. I will give a little walk around, but yeah, boy, I can see myself on that. I can see myself on that. Yeah, so it's the blue on blue with blue rims. Happen? Stock exhaust. Hey! Yeah, boy, the power there, and the bike fully stock too, fully stock. Like I can't even really give a review again on the bike, because you already know I ride pattern bike already. But pattern bike has an exhaust, and the exhaust changing that bike completely, doggy, completely. Like that bike with an exhaust is a whole different bike, doggy, a whole different bike. What, dog? Yeah, man. Me say what you're saying, because it's either between that or the Tenere. Y'all know already. When I rode the Tenere, that was like 2 months back now. When I rode that bike, I feel y'all get fed up with me of how much I'd say Tenere. But bro, I was in love with that doggy. So test riding the MT today, see what that's saying, and yeah, I will give you all a little walk around of that before anything. Yeah, we see that is the bike there. As you can see, fully stock. The only thing that I have frame sliders and a clear windshield, a clear visor. But honestly, if I were to buy that, I would change the visor, put that like tinted, I would say, and you can see that the stock exhaust, so fully stock. I have absolutely nothing on it. That is a blank canvas on the radiator guard, as you can see, not even that it up. But yeah, that is the bike there. You see, blue on blue. You can see diamond back there, please. Diamond have the gray on, what are they, cyan? I am sure. and then part of that have the gray on the red or orange. So yeah, that is the bike there. It's kind of losing light, so I'm trying to record that before we really, before really lose light. Yeah, boom, getting back on the bike now. Boy, talkie. Oh yeah, let me move before that man take me out there. Boy, yeah man, you already know how I feel about that empty from Patat video. You already know how I feel about that bike. The only thing is stock exhaust, but that is things that can be changed. Okay, that is like, that's a build series there for y'all one time. But yeah, doggy. Yeah, blank canvas. Boy, me say, just imagine 3 empties in the group. I go ride the bike around like too far because it's just a test ride. But me say, just imagine 3 empties and a Tenere CP2, doggy. CP2. Mob. Me say, let me know what y'all saying. Comment down below what y'all think. Let me know. Ah boy, I go lie, okay. I feel like I can send that up here. But that thing you do on other man bike, yeah? But yeah, mob, that video not going to be too long, I may say. Honestly, that video will be too long. It's just a test ride. Show you all what the bike is. But yeah, doggy, Mt-07. Me say, let me know if that's what y'all want to see on the channel. That gap is real happy. But let me know if that's what y'all want to see on the channel. Me say, fully stock, like bone stock, nothing on it besides a visor and frame sliders. That is it. Like, that don't have anything else on it. That is a blank canvas. Like, I don't even really have to say much about that bike. Hey auntie, I don't have to say much about that bike because, like, you already see me giving a review on that Mt-07. That video is basically just to show y'all what the bike is and how the bike riding. That is it. So that video will be too long, nice, short and sweet. But yeah, me say, let me know what y'all think. Mt-07, new Mt-07 to the channel. Tenere might come later because boy, the Tenere are cheaper. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Me say, let me know. If you want to, if you don't comment, like I say, DM me if anything. Boy, but I personally, I go lie, dog. I can see it. I can see it. But still, I'm not doing it just for me. I'm doing it for you all too. Ah boy, I will give y'all another little walk around of that bike so y'all can see what it is. Blue on blue. There's a blank canvas, doggy. I just watching that and I seen so many things I can do with that bike. Tin divisor, crash bars, rim tape, exhaust, different little accessories. Check it. Let me know what y'all think. Me say. Let me say, let me know if y'all would want to see an Mt-07 on the channel, because as you all know, I forgot to mention that in the beginning, the Z is cash bike. If y'all, for those who watch the videos right throughout, y'all a couple of times y'all let me big up Uncle Cash. The Z, the camouflage bike y'all usually seen on the back on the channel, that is cash bike, and that bike is up for sale. So if anybody's serious about buying that bike, you'll see how the bike riding already, you'll see how it working, everything. If anybody's serious, DM me on Instagram or leave a comment and I can get you in contact with Cash. Please don't waste my time here. If anybody's serious, just let me know, I can get you all in contact. But yeah, that bike is up for sale. So if anybody looking to take the Z in to a good home, make sure you take care of the bike. DM me or leave it in the comments, yeah? And I will leave his contact info there. So yeah, me say, that is the bike again. That is basically it for the video. Nice, short and sweet. And I will see you all in the next one. Me say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check it, turn on post notifications. Hit the bell. Do all that. Zinga, all that thing. Leave a comment. The little interactions, as I always saying. Boosting the video big time, me say. And don't be like now and don't make no woman stress you in your life, yeah. But yeah, me say, that go be it. You already know. One link, one love. Boom.